French fry cutter. Ever get tired of uneven, sad-looking fries when you try to make them at home? The Rucosin French fry cutter is here to fix that. It's a simple tool that makes creating restaurant-quality fries super easy. The super sharp 12-inch stainless steel blades make quick work of whole potatoes. You can even do carrots or cucumbers. The strong suction base keeps it firmly in place while you're working, so no slips or messes. Its large size lets you cut whole potatoes in one go, no more pre-cutting. Just think, perfectly uniform fries ready in minutes without all the hassle. This cutter turns homemade fries from a chore to a total breeze. Less prep, more enjoying your delicious, evenly cooked fries. Whisk-ware pancake bottle? Ever dread pancake mornings? The mess, the lumps, the endless stirring? The whisk-ware pancake bottle is here. This clever gadget mixes batter effortlessly. Just add ingredients, drop in the blender ball, and shake. You get smooth, perfect batter every time. Plus, portion control is a breeze. No more oversized pancakes overflowing the pan. Cleaning is super simple too. Soap, water, shake, and rinse. Done. It's also dishwasher safe. Imagine this. Quick, easy breakfasts, less mess, and perfectly cooked pancakes, waffles, or crepes. That's more time enjoying delicious food and less time cleaning up. The whisk-ware bottle truly simplifies your mornings. OXO Good Grips Avocado Slicer. Struggling to get perfect avocado slices? The OXO Good Grips Avocado Slicer solves that. This tool splits, pits, and slices avocados cleanly, saving you time and frustration. The stainless steel pitter removes the pit quickly and easily, while the slicer gives you 7 perfect pieces. You'll love the soft, comfortable grip, even with slippery hands. No more struggling with knives and spoons. Now, making avocado toast, guacamole, or salads is a breeze. Enjoy consistent, beautiful slices every time. It's also dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. This slicer is a time saver that makes enjoying avocados effortless. Vivida 16-in-1 Chopper. Ever feel like you spend forever chopping veggies? Meet the Vividis 16-in-1 Chopper. It's not just an onion chopper, it's a complete food prep system. With 8 interchangeable blades, you can slice, dice, and grate everything quickly. The built-in container catches everything, keeping your counter clean. No more mess. You also get a hand protector for safety and a handy cleaning brush. Imagine prepping a salad in minutes or dicing veggies for soup without the usual fuss. The Vividis is compact and efficient, saving you time and effort, perfect for busy cooks who want healthy meals faster. The Vividis makes kitchen work easier. Wedgip pull-out cabinet drawers? Is digging through cluttered cabinets a daily struggle? Searching for that one spice way in the back? The Wedgip pull-out cabinet drawers can change that. These install easily and glide smoothly, bringing items right to you. The expandable design fits cabinets 12.2 to 18.5 inches wide. You get adjustable width for the basket itself, 9.3 to 15.5. Installation is simple, side-mounted, adjust screws to avoid hinges. Imagine cooking without the cabinet chaos. Everything organized, visible, and accessible. Save time, reduce frustration, and transform your kitchen with Wedgip. It's a small upgrade, huge improvement. Restaurant-ware cheese cutter. Ever struggle to get a clean cheese slice? Crumbly pieces ruin presentation. That's where the restaurant-ware cheese cutter shines. Its German standard blade makes even cuts every time. Imagine perfectly sliced cheese without the mess. The wide blade handles everything from soft brie to cheddar. You get uniform slices for platters or sandwiches easily. The ergonomic handle is comfortable and gives you total control. Stainless steel build means it's durable and cleanup is simple. It's even dishwasher safe. Say hello to neat, professional-looking cheese every single time. No more uneven, broken slices. Get perfect slices with ease. Earlywood 10-inch wood scraper. Scraping burnt bits off your cast iron a pain? The Earlywood 10-inch scraper is your solution. This handmade wood utensil is perfect for any kitchen. You'll find it's not just a scraper. It stirs, flips, and helps prep every meal. The flat edge gets into corners when sautéing. It also handles eggs like a pro, sliding under to flip omelets perfectly. Made from hardwood, it's tough enough to crush garlic. Imagine effortlessly cleaning pans and prepping meals. Plus, it's gentle on your nonstick cookware, unlike metal. This replaces multiple tools. It's a pancake flipper, skillet scraper, even a beef chopper. Tybin Katushev Titanium Board. Are you tired of cutting boards that stain and hold odors? The Tybin Katushev Titanium Board solves that. It's titanium, so you get a surface that resists everything. This means you won't have lingering smells after cutting onions or garlic. The titanium surface is incredibly durable and rust-proof. You'll find you don't have to replace it like plastic. Dual-sided use gives you two fresh surfaces, and the rounded edges make cleanup easy. Imagine a kitchen with a cutting board that looks as good as new year after year. It's lightweight, portable, so camping is improved. This board provides a professional experience right in your home and lasts. Pipamon Onion Holder. Slicing onions can be such a pain, right? Always worried about cutting yourself and getting uneven slices. Well, the Pipamon Onion Holder solves that. It's got these stainless steel prongs that firmly grip your onion, tomato, even meat. The handle's wide and non-slip, so you get a really comfortable, secure hold. This keeps your fingers away from the blade. You get uniform slices every single time. It's super easy to clean and store away. Imagine perfectly sliced onions for fajitas or consistently cut tomatoes for salads, all without that fear of nicks. It makes prepping so much faster and safer. The Pipamon holder gives you precision and confidence in the kitchen. Chefin Cob Corn Stripper. Struggling to get corn off the cob? It gets messy, kernels flying everywhere. The Chefin Cob Corn Stripper solves that. It easily removes kernels with a simple twist. You get clean, perfect corn ready for anything. The enclosed blade is super safe. Even kids can help. Its stainless steel blade effortlessly strips corn. You will have a container full of corn in seconds. Cleanup is a breeze. Just toss it in the dishwasher. Imagine making delicious corn salads without the hassle, or freezing corn for later use, all mess-free. It is compact for easy storage. This tool lets you enjoy fresh corn quickly. Sasasha Herb Scissors Set. Struggling to chop herbs evenly? Messy cutting boards, wasted time? I get it. The Sasasha Herb Scissors Set solves that problem instantly. It has 5 sharp blades, so you can quickly snip fresh basil or cilantro right into your meals, saving prep time. Plus, you get a cleaning kit, a comb and cover, which makes cleanup a breeze. No more tedious washing. Imagine perfectly chopped herbs on your pasta or in your salads effortlessly. The comfortable handle also means no more hand fatigue. Enjoy restaurant-quality freshness, more flavor, with far less hassle. This kitchen tool simplifies flavorful cooking. Made in carbon steel pan. Are you tired of flimsy pans? The Merton Stork carbon steel pan might be your answer. This pan blends cast iron heat retention with stainless steel agility. You get even heating for perfect searing without the heavy weight. The pre-seasoned surface means you can cook right away. No fussing with extra steps. It heats fast and is surprisingly easy to handle. It develops a beautiful patina over time, improving with each use. Imagine effortlessly cooking steaks, roasting vegetables, or even baking a simple frittata. This pan is durable enough for daily use, indoors and out. It's a true kitchen workhorse worth having. Bundle Pro Silicone Turner Set. Struggling to flip delicate foods without them falling apart? The Bundle Pro Silicone Turner Set solves that. These spatulas are designed for tricky tasks. The silicone is high heat resistant and safe for non-stick cookware, so you won't scratch your pans. Plus, the flexible edges easily slide under eggs or fish, making flipping easy. You also get a comfortable grip with the ergonomic stainless steel handle. Cleanup is a breeze, just toss them in the dishwasher. No more ruined breakfasts or messy dinners. Imagine perfectly flipped pancakes every time. The Bundle Pro set makes cooking easier and more enjoyable, giving you professional results with less effort. Enjoy cooking more. KitchenAid Meat Tenderizer. Is tough meat ruining your dinners? The KitchenAid Meat Tenderizer helps create flavorful, evenly cooked meals. One side's textured, perfect for tenderizing steak, the other smooth for thin cutlets. You'll get restaurant-quality results at home. Its lightweight aluminum design makes it easy to handle and surprisingly durable. The comfortable grip helps you pound with control. Plus, a convenient hang hole simplifies storage. Imagine effortlessly tenderizing chicken breasts for quick, healthy meals. Forget tough, unevenly cooked meats. The KitchenAid Tenderizer makes every bite perfect. Enjoy consistent, delicious dinners made easy. Uramate Oil Sprayer. Are you tired of pouring too much oil? The Uramate Oil Sprayer gives precise control. This sprayer delivers a fine mist, perfect for healthier cooking. You get even coverage when air frying or grilling, reducing wasted oil. It's made of food-grade glass, so it's safe and easy to clean. You can use it with olive oil, avocado oil, or even vinegar. It also works as a dispenser for easy pouring when you need a little more. Imagine perfectly dressed salads and evenly coated pans. The Uramate sprayer offers portion control and reduces mess. Spend less time cleaning and enjoy better-tasting food with just the right amount of oil, every time. Dream Farm Mini Soup Spoon Scraper. Ever struggle getting the last bit of jam from the jar? Annoying, right? That's where the Dream Farm Mini Soup Spoon comes in. This clever little tool is a spoon and scraper, all in one. The flat silicone edge gets every last drop of sauce or spread. You'll love how it scrapes bowls completely clean. Plus, it has measure lines for recipes. Imagine how much less you'll waste. And the best part? The handle keeps the spoon's head lifted so your counter stays clean. Seriously, this handy thing makes baking and cooking easier. It's a small tool that makes a big difference every day. Less mess, less waste, and more flavor. Sicily Black Sponge Holder. Is your sink constantly cluttered with sponges and brushes? The Sicily Black Sponge Holder solves that. It's made of rust-proof stainless steel, so it's durable and looks sleek. You get organized storage right where you need it. A rotating spout directs water straight into the sink. No more countertop mess. This also saves you cleaning time. The holder also fits a detergent bottle, sponge, and stopper, plus has a handy brush holder. It saves space, keeping your essentials within easy reach. Imagine a clean, organized sink area. The Sicily holder brings order to your daily routine, making kitchen tasks simpler. Kitchen Genie Air Fryer Liners. Cleaning the air fryer after cooking is the worst, right? All that stuck on food. That's where the Kitchen Genie Air Fryer Liners come in handy. They're like a shield for your air fryer basket. These liners are designed to fit perfectly in most standard air fryers, round or square, from Ninja to Philips. You just drop one in, cook, and when you're done, toss the liner. No more scrubbing. Imagine finishing dinner and not dreading the cleanup. These liners save you so much time, letting you enjoy your meal. They keep your air fryer clean and ready for the next delicious dish. Spend less time cleaning, more time enjoying. Oro Home Upgrade Meat Chopper. Ground meat clumping when you cook? Annoying, right? This is the Oro Home Upgrade Meat Chopper, here to solve that. It's got 5 curved blades, so it breaks up meat super fast and evenly. Plus, the nylon head is safe for all your pans. Non-stick, stainless steel, everything. You won't scratch anything. You can even mash potatoes or stir sauces with it. Imagine perfectly cooked ground beef every time. No more clumps. It's heat-resistant and dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. It makes cooking so much easier and faster, saving you time and frustration in the kitchen. That's a win for everyone. Spring Chef Dough Blender. Ever struggle getting butter evenly mixed for pies? The Spring Chef Dough Blender is your answer. Its strong stainless steel blades cut through cold butter effortlessly, making the whole process faster. You get consistent mixing, which means flakier crusts every time. No more uneven dough. The comfortable handle gives you better grip so you can blend without hand fatigue. Imagine effortlessly creating perfect biscuits and pastries. It even works for mashing avocados. It's durable and makes baking easier, helping you achieve professional quality results right in your kitchen. A real